today to teach you something new. Let's see. It's called... Yes.
Just like how we do sales tax and tax and everything, are you going to do tax evasion?
No.
What's tax evasion?
Don't worry about it. Percent change. That's what we're going to do today. So let's see if you guys can figure out how it kind of relates to what we've been doing, but completely brand new. Okay. On Sunday, the laptop cost $500. Today, it is on sale for $350. What percent change is this? So let's write this down quickly so we don't fall behind and then we're lost when we actually do the math because we're a little behind, so let's focus. It's hot. Okay, on Sunday the laptop cost $500. Today is on sale for $350. What is the percent change? So what am I asking you to do in this problem? Percent. I used to tell you the laptop cost $500. It's on sale for 50% off. What's the new price, right? And you're like, oh, 50%, cool, easy. Today, I actually give you the old price of $500 and the new price of $350. I'm now asking you for what percent change is that? Did we save 50%? Did we save 20%? Did we save 10%? How much percent did we save? That's what we're trying to figure out. Okay? So, this is how we do it. You're going to use this formula. Does anybody know what the percent change is? 25? 25? Okay. Anybody else? Okay. I mean, some of you are capable of doing this in your head. You don't really realize what you're doing, but you end up with the right answer because your brain just works some awesome ways. New price minus old price divided by old price. So this is the formula you're going to use to figure out percent change. So every time I'm asking you for percent, you're going to be using the formula new price minus old price divided by old price. Okay? So what's my new price?
500.
350. So here I need your English skills. On Sunday the laptop costs $500. Today it is on sale. So today means current, so new price. On Sunday, you know, that was yesterday, so that's your old price. So it would be 350 minus 500 divided by 500. Now, one thing I forgot to add to your formula is that you need to have the absolute value. So what's 350 minus 500? 150, but technically it's negative 150. Divided by 500. But what we do is we take the absolute value of it, so it's 150. The negative part just means that the price went down. So if you get a negative answer here, that just means the price went down. And you can see that in your problem, like, oh, we went from 500 to 350. Yeah, the price went down. You just take the absolute value, so it becomes positive. Because when we do discounts, the percents have to be positive. All right, so we have to turn this into a percent. There's a couple ways you can do it. The hard way is to divide. Okay? The hard way is to divide. The easy way is to like simplify it and set it equal to 100. So if I have 150 over 500, right, this, and I set it equal to 100. Why do I want to set it equal to 100? Yeah, because what are percents out of? 100. So this is the easy way. Does the easy way always work? No, but it works so easy. So, how do I go from 500 to 100? Divide it by 5, right? What's 500 divided by 5? 100. So what am I going to do to the top? Divide it by 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So this is like simplifying, right? We're just simplifying. But we're not simplifying all the way. We're just simplifying to 100. Because our 100 is our best friend. What's 150 divided by 5? 30. Right? So what's our percent? So this is our percent. 30% decrease. Why is it decreased? Because our price went down. So how much are you saving? I'm saving 30%. Are you supposed to get this like immediately right now? Yes. It's fine. Just kidding. I mean, yes, but no.
I like doing it.
You're so confusing.
Me? Am I confusing? Is that what he said? Me? Hit that.
You can't tell when they're being sarcastic or not.
Oh. I mean, you'll have math teachers that give you one problem and like, all right, bye. High school teachers, some are like that. I'll give you another.
Well, I mean, at least they're not like, yeah, you should definitely do this. No, you shouldn't do. They wouldn't even know what to do.
They just like give you one problem and then are silent for the rest of the period. And then expect you to know what to do. All right, the hard way of doing this, the hard way was, I don't know, I'm supposed to equal it to 100, so then you divide 150 and 500, and then add a decimal and a 0. How many times does 500 go into 1,500?
3.
Yeah, 3. You know the answer. Well, because it's this 3. But, yeah, we don't want to do that. We sometimes do. Oh, yeah. All right, let's do another one. The hardest part of this is making sure you have the right new price and the right old price. If you mix them up, everything's wrong. Okay. The pair of Jordans were on sale for $250. Now they cost $300. What is the percent change? Copy it down. Okay. The reason we copy these down is because when you have homework, you look at your problems for your homework and you're like, wait, oh, this is like the one we did in class. Or commission, you go back to the commission problems, or the tip, or the interest. Whatever you get on the homework, you go back, you look at your notes, and you follow your notes. Same math. All right. So our formula, there's a shortcut that I write your formula. I write it as no. No. So N-O, N-O. No. New minus old divided by old. Because kids forget what's on the denominator. Is it my new or is it my old price? So I go, it has to spell no. Okay? Because if you put the new price at the bottom, everything is wrong. Okay? New minus old divided by old. That's our formula. No. Okay? New minus old divided by old. All right. So now let's read our problem. The pair of Jordans were on sale for $250. Now they cost $300. So what's my new price? $300. Now $300. So that's my new price, $300. Minus my old $250. Were
I meant to answer.
divided by what? 250. All right. So yes, it is. Well, no. What's 300 minus 250?
150.
No, just 50. Over 250. Now, I have. Okay, we all understand where we got 50 and 250, right? Okay. We subtract 300 minus 250, and then this is just carried over. Now, there's a couple ways to do it. I would simplify this by getting rid of the zeros. So I can divide by 10. When you divide by 10, all you're doing is crossing out the zeros. When you divide by 10, you're just crossing out the zeros. Now, can I set it equal to 100? Yes. Set it equal to 100. All right, what percent did we get?
20 over 100.
So what percent did we get? Increase or decrease? Did the price go up or down? Up. So 25 to 100 is times 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So this is equal to 20%. This is the easiest way to do it. But do I need you to know how to multiply and divide? Yes. The hard way to do it is to take this, put the top number inside, the bottom number outside, decimal, 0, 25 goes into 50, 2 times 25, done. That's my decimal, move it twice, make it into a percent. All right, any questions? Are we okay? Huh?
Do we write that down?
If you need to. I mean, sometimes there's no way other than this way to do it. For example, let's say you do the new minus old, right? We do a math problem, right? New minus old. And our answer after the new minus old over old is 5 out of 8. Let's just pretend. Like we do the work, we subtract, and we get 5 out of 8. Can we set this equal to 100? No, right? 8 doesn't go into 100. So I can't do it the easy way. So when you have a fraction, once you do the math, and you end up with a fraction like 5 over 8, and you can't set it equal to 100, what's your only option? Divide, yeah. 5 goes into 8 no times. Decimal 0. 8 goes into 50. 6, 48. Do I bring this 2 up here? No. I add a 0, bring it down, becomes a 20.
You sound like you're confused.
8 goes into 20 2 times. That's not this 2. That's 2 times 8 is 16. Remainder 4. Do I put the 4 up here? No, but some of you, I'm not going to say who.
Put a 0 on the last 0, and then you bring it down.
8 goes into 40?
5 times.
5 times. Notice I don't put the 4 up here. Some of you are still doing that on your homework. You have a remainder of 4, and you just bring it straight up. It's like, no. Okay, so that gives you 40, right? Okay, so my decimal answer is 0.625. What percent is 0.625? So this would be a 62.5% increase, decrease. Oh, I forgot to write that down up here. 20% increase would be up here because the price went up. Price went up. Here, I just made it up so we don't really know. But I need you to realize, like, once you do the math and you get a weird fraction, you can't, like, set it equal to 100. You're going to do this part. Okay? Any questions on that? We have a couple more problems to do on our, as a worksheet, so we'll get more practice on this. If you set it equal to 100, great. Sometimes you can. Do I expect you to understand it now? Yes.
Can I go? Huh? Can I go?
No.
Where?
Okay, focus. It's still recording. All right, Eddie, let's focus on this. Okay, we'll start you off on the first one. Percent increase, decrease. Remember the formula. New price minus old price divided by old price. No. This will give you a decimal when you divide, which will be turned into a percent. No. New minus old divided by old, or no. Yep. So make sure the old price is at the bottom. All right. So, number 1. On Monday, the price of a balloon at Disneyland was $4. On Saturday, the price increased to $10. What is a percent increase? So first off, you have to figure out what's my new price, what's my old price. And you got to use like your grammar. Past tense, present tense, future tense. So which one's your new price? 10. So I'm going to put an N for new. Which one's my old price? 4. Old. Old was past tense, right? So now we're going to plug in our formula. 10 minus 4, new minus old, divided by 4. 10 minus 4, 6 over 4. Now, the easy way to do this is to set it equal to 100. The harder way to do this is to take the top number 6 and the 4 outside. If it's 6 over 4, that's how you write it as division. But let's see, can we set it equal to 100? Does it work? Yep. How many times does 4 go into 100? 4 times 4 quarters is $1 times 25. So 6 quarters. How much is 6 quarters? 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, right? So 150. All right. So what's my percent? Well, look at this.
15%.
So look, if it was 20 over 100, what was my answer? 20%. Did you get rid of a 0? Did you move anything? That's your answer. So if it's 150 over 100, what's my answer?
150%.
Yeah. If it's out of 100, whatever the top number is, that's your answer. Okay? If you divide it, then you got to move stuff around. And you'll get the same answer. 1, 4, remainder 2, 0, 5, 20. Oh, 1.5. Cool. What do I have to do? Move it twice. I get 150. You get the same answer. I just think this is way easier. Does this always work? No. But when it does, woo, great. All right. Let's get to work. If you need help, ask Miss Celine or myself. One of us is happy to help you.